process of taking the steering wheel off. Basically you move the horn pad, and it's just a little thing on the back there that locks into place with that right there. There's one screw underneath. I've already put the screw back in, but so I don't lose it, but that's the screw there. You take that off, and basically just blocks out that groove right there. There's a few clips on the top there. It basically just pulls right off. It's pretty simple. And there's the horn thing. So now I've unbolted the bolt right there, and now I'm just gonna wiggle the steering wheel off and then get ready to start installing the Nardi stuff. Hopefully it comes off easy, the steering wheel. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we're literally less than a minute away and the stock steering wheel's off. That was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be on the stock steering wheel. And that's the steering column. So basically I just wiggled it left to right a couple times and boop, I could feel it coming loose. So that was pretty simple. So everything's so far so good. Now I'm going to go get the Nardi parts and start installing the hub. Hopefully everything goes on smoothly. Let's keep going. Okay, I've got the Nardi hub on. Went ahead and torqued it down. Just everything looks okay so far. Just got to get the steering wheel now and look at the horn assembly and see how that fits and stuff. So yeah, matches somewhat. Looks pretty good. And we'll go from there and see how it goes. Next step. Okay, got her installed. Looks pretty sweet. I do like it. Yeah, it's very nice. Everything turned out pretty good. So, Nardi, pretty neat. Now I just got to put this all back together. The steering center console, excuse me. And then get the Nardi, the wood steering wheel on there to match. And then yeah, I'm all set. I like it. It's very nice. It's just a tad bit smaller than the stock one. You know, we're talking about like that much smaller than the stock one. So I think the 340 millimeter that I went with was perfect size, to be honest. I wanted just a little bit smaller of a steering wheel, but I also wanted the wood. And the wood just feels really nice. Very classic. It's gonna work well. Anyway, so that's it. Yeah, pretty basic install. I mean, you just bolted down the steering wheel to the hub, or the boss kit they call it. And then you put this little cover over the bolts and then snap in the ring. That's the horn button. And then it's pretty simple, really. Not much to it. Yeah, so we're off with our new Nardi steering wheel. Can't wait to drive it. All right, off we go. Tight squeeze, yo. Luckily the Galant's not too wide. Wouldn't make it through the tunnel under the track. Ugh. Don't have an exhaust, so I can't rev it. It's all stock.